Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about the Pentair 2.5-inch check valve. And I say 2.5-inch because that's what threads or goes over this. 2-inch goes inside of this. So whether you have 2-inch or 2.5-inch pipe, that's what this check valve is recommended for. It prevents water from backflowing in the system. So if you have your pool equipment and it's lower than your pool, it's good to have these on there so that when you open up lids, do things like that, the water from the pool is not draining out of your pump. So these are available at ePoolSupply.com, or you can come down to our shop at Bell and I-17. We'd love to help you out. Lots of these in stock all the time. Part number on this 2-inch check valve is 263042. Pentair check valve, great product. Come down and see us. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.